for maintaining an environment this clean, I interviewed some of the residents of Delhi NCR to understand their view about the problem. So I asked them that while going for a shopping mall or a movie theatre, would they prefer their personal vehicle or a public transport?
I would use personal vehicle because public transports are crowded and I don't like to travel in crowded vehicle.
I will choose a personal vehicle more because I'm not that comfortable in public transport. But if I'm going alone, then I will choose public transport more. But if I'm going with my family members, then I will go for personal vehicle.
In case of shopping outside, prefer a personal vehicle because after shopping you have a lot of carry bags to handle, and a personal vehicle will be preferable because it will make it easier to handle and take it back home. But for any kind of outing like movie theater or something, it's situational because if I'm going with my friends and family, if I'm going with my family, I would say I take a personal vehicle because kids and also it's much easier to go with a personal vehicle. But if it's with my friends, it's according to the plan. Anyway, Delhi Metro is quite a good service, so it's not a problem to go with the metro.
I would definitely prefer personal vehicle over public transport because it is cheaper, cost effective, and convenient to use.
So I was curious to know that these people use detergent at home, and are they willing to switch it to something organic like baking soda or lemon juice for cleaning their clothes?
We don't use detergent in our house.
Yes, I do use detergent powder. I don't think that I would stop using detergent powder because of these alternatives like baking soda or lime juice. I use these kind of stuffs in some cases, like if in my clothes I have dark stains or the stains are not going, then I will use these alternatives to remove them, like bleaches or lemon juice and baking soda. But yeah, I would not prefer like these alternatives in regular basis, but yeah, I will go for detergent.
Yeah, detergent is a preferred choice, because it's reliable, and I don't know how baking soda helps in cleaning clothes. Or lemon, I think I understand, but I think it would be costly, and a wastage of lemon that's better for eating rather than washing clothes. So I'd rather use detergent.
Yes, we do use detergent at homes. I don't think so. I will shift from detergent to baking soda or lemon. I might use them sometimes to remove dark stains, but I won't completely shift to baking soda or lemon.
Do you generate plastic waste at home? If yes, what do you do with it? If you reuse it, how do you reuse it?
Yeah, we do generate. Sometimes we do generate plastic waste at home. We throw it in garbage. We try to reuse it. Like whenever the plastic bags are given in the market, we try to reuse them as much as we can.
No, I don't generate plastic at my home. I would prefer not to buy anything related to plastic. If I'm buying anything plastic, then I make sure that is degradable. If we keep buying these plastic, it will create a big consequences like environmental pollution, because burning these plastics will lead to release harmful chemicals in air, and that will be inhaled by human, animals, or even plants as well. So yeah, it is very dangerous for us.
Yeah, I do use plastic bags. That's what you get in most of the shopping areas. But I don't throw it. I keep it. It's very useful, to carry more things or to package something. It can also be used in art and craft, so it's rather better to keep it. Then, but it's rare because plastic can always be reused, so we keep it. But if it's a part of something like a toy or a machine, so it's not usable, so we have to throw it. We have been provided 2 dustbins from the government to initiate the segregation process, so we throw it in the blue dustbin. But one thing to point out, it's sad to see that janitors, when they take the dustbins away, They dump green and blue dustbin in the same cart, so the process of segregation is just wasted on them. I think that can be bettered.
No, we don't generate plastic at home. We prefer not to use plastic anywhere. Um, yes, if this behavior continues, then it will be very harmful for the environment. It will lead to environmental pollution, which is not good for the environment or for any living being present on the earth.
What do you think? If this ignorant human behavior continues, what will be the consequences?
It will pollute the environment like water, soil, everything.
Yeah, this has to stop. We have already destroyed a lot of resources on our earth, and it's already suffering a lot. And I think if this continues, there's going to be problems like global warming, and we are already witnessing the situation, and we are already facing the problems that might happen. So it's the very right time that we change our habits, and let's not continue this. Let's make a change, and let's do something about what's gonna happen, and let's not let it happen and make it better.
Do you think that a single person can change or influence the mindset of society?
Of course it can influence, because if everybody will think कि नहीं हम लोग कोई change नहीं ला सकते, then nobody will start ना. Somewhere somebody has to start, then only people will start following it, and धीरे धीरे ही सब कुछ होता है, एकदम से सब कुछ नहीं होता है.
Yes, definitely. I believe that a single person can make a big change, and no matter, we should follow that whenever we are going for shopping or buying any grocery or vegetables, then we should make sure that we are carrying our own bags. And by these steps, I think the opposite person will follow you, that you are carrying your bags, and by these small steps, I think there will be a big change, and people will realize these plastic bags are very harmful for us, and it is not good for our environment.
Of course, one person can't carry the weight of whole society. He can't change the mindset of every person around. If he's an influencer, maybe he can initiate a change in mindset, but at the end of the day, it's people who have to put an effort to change what they do, their habits, and that would bring about the change in everyone in the society. It's not just about one person, it's about the every person that is in the society, because it's a society, it's not a single person.
Of course, a single person can definitely bring a change in the mindset of the society. It is said that charity starts at home. So, if you start taking initiative and protect your environment, I am sure others will definitely join you in this initiative.
So we saw that people find their personal vehicle a very convenient mode of transport and are not willing to travel in a public transport. They know the consequences of using plastic, and that's why they have reduced it as much as possible. But the case is not similar with the usage of detergent. People are unaware of the consequences of using detergent on the environment and are not willing to switch to organic options. To sustain this clean environment post lockdown, I think it's time to sit back and think what changes we need to adapt in our lifestyle.